Just a quick video on how to use the AirLift remote control. So we've set the system so it has 3 memory modes. One is like a lifted up height, one is your everyday drive height, and then one is your performance height. So to get to the memory modes, to get to your everyday drive height, that's the middle one. So right in the middle, the AirLift logo, you click that once, you see your pressures, your preset pressures come on, so you double tap it. It'll calibrate the system to get to your everyday drive height. And then when the green numbers go away, it means it's all done. To get to your lifted up height, so that's the button above that middle one. So you click it once, you see the numbers come on, so you double tap. It will calibrate to your lifted up height. And then you'll see the numbers disappear. And then for your performance height, so that's the one below the middle one, so you click that once, and then again you double tap. That'll calibrate to your performance height. If you're in your everyday drive height, so you get to your everyday drive height, you see there's a big obstacle you want to clear through, you could just press this top one, just hold it down. That will just lift the whole vehicle up, all 4 corners all together. And then if you get to a show or you want to park the car, you want to air it out, make sure the steering wheel is straight, and then you just hold this bottom on. You hold it, the air pressures will go down. You can even just hold it until you feel the vehicle's not moving. And then you've aired out the car. If you want to adjust each corner individually, think about the side keypad as it's been split into 8. So there's an up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. That's for each 4 corner. So if you want to do the front left, you just do this. You feel it. So think about it as there's 2 buttons there. So you do that, hold that corner up. That's just going to bump your front left corner up. Same thing for the front right. Just that top button, they'll bump that front right corner up. Same thing with the back, so you think about it, there's a plus and a minus, bump that corner up. You want to do it to your right rear, you bump that corner up. And that's pretty much how you adjust the system. So pretty much just think about it as tap the middle button once, double tap, everyday drive height. Happy with that, you're on the freeway, you want to have a bit of fun, click your performance height, then double tap it, set it to that. When you want to park the car and you want it slammed out, just hold down this bottom one, so just hold it until you feel the car's not moving and the car's aired out. Easy, done.